can't stay.
Hi. It's here. Hold on, I gotta YouTube this too. Okay. So, my lightsaber is here. I don't know which side is up, and I don't really care. Before I open this though, I want to give a huge, I just want to say rest in peace to Carrie Fisher. You will truly be missed. We loved you to death. The force is with you, princess. Okay. This was my hammer. Okay, this is the tip. I'm gonna go around. Oh my god, this thing is awesome! Was there not a charger for these batteries? No? Is that it? That's it. Hi, Cass. Okay, so there's a Allen key in here and a thank you from Ultra Sabers. Here it is in all its glory. Jesus. Hi, Kayla. Yeah, this thing is amazing. Okay. You guys ready? Oh my god! I'm so happy right now! Hold on. Alright. I'm so happy right now! Yeah. Hold on a second. Tell her to go on Facebook Live. So happy right now. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. That is awesome. I'm happy. Flex, dab, swag, turn up. I'll see you guys later.